this video, I would like to share a few of my trades from the past week. So I've been trading since 26th of March 2019. Not trading, like I started trading, started learning about trading on 26th of March 2019. And then I started being consistent in February 2020. So my February was green, March was green, and the April is also looking good. So the purpose of this video is to share my journey with you. I'm not a coach by any means as of now. I am not that consistent. Like I've been consistent for 2 months, so it's not that big of a deal. But the purpose is to share my journey because I have seen many traders who start making videos after they start making $10,000, $1,000, or $100,000 a day. But the purpose of my video is to share my journey so that new traders can relate with my journey and I can be as honest as I can with you guys. So what I will be doing is that I will be sharing one green and one red trade from Monday to Friday. Red trade, if any. So let's get on to it. Green trade on Monday was on BA. So I saw that BA at the market open, there was a huge bid at this 150 level. Like there was a huge bid. And the best thing about options scalping, like if you are scalping option premiums, the best thing is that if you are fortunate enough to enter just before the break of a strong level, your premiums spike a lot. So you can make like 5-10% in a matter of couple of seconds. So I saw that the 150 bid was getting hit and the bid was going down. So I was fortunate enough to enter just before the bid. I entered at 35 at the end, around the close of this candlestick, and then I exited around 148 at the break of 148. This is because I saw that the 148 bid went down, but then it came back up. Like the bid went down below 148, it came back above 148, so that's why I exited. Here are my entry and exits on BA. So I entered 2 contracts at the premium price of 12.97, so it's around $2,600 of investment, and I made around $144 in a matter of 30-40 seconds. So now let's see my losing trade on Monday. So what ZM made this pre-market high and this high of the day around like 161 level. I don't think so it was a bad trade because it kind of made this ascending triangle. I entered at the break of this 161 level and then it failed to break the 161.64 level. It made a level, there were sellers stacking up at 161.64. It never broke that level, and then I got out at the break of 161 again towards the downside. So here are my entry and exits on ZM. I went in 2 contracts again. Within each contract was $6.8 worth, so it was $680 into 2, around $1,400 and then I got out with a loss of $41 on this trade. So on Monday in total I made $164 on Monday, and on Monday I made like $164, and then let's get on to my trades for Tuesday. So on Tuesday I made around $470 on Tuesday, and all of my trades on Tuesday, I made 3 trades on Tesla. 2 were green and 1 was red. So I will share all my trades on Tuesday because it's pretty easy. So Tesla was gapping up on the daily, and then I saw that it made this high of the day. I entered at the break of the high of the day, and then I exited after 3 minutes. I exited at the first red candlestick and this 515 because I saw that the ask was holding at 515. So that's why I exited, and then I will show all my entry and exits. So I entered 5 contracts at a premium price of 3.30, and I exited all my 5 contracts at the premium price of 3.480. So I made around $85 in a matter of 3 minutes. Then my next trade was at the break of this 525 level, but it was a failed breakout. It broke the 525 level, but then it came back down below 525, so I exited again. And then my next trade was again at the break of 525 level, because then I saw this consolidation. See, it consolidated. My first entry was not that of a great entry, so you need to learn to detach from your losses. And then I cut my losses. I entered again at the break of 525 here, and then I exited at this candlestick. So I made $470 on total. I will show you the entry and exits for the last trade. My entry was 5 contracts at a premium price of $5.60, so that is around $2,700 of investment, and then I got out with a profit of $515. So coming to my green trades on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I traded Tesla again, and then it was later in the day. So what I was doing on Tesla is that I saw that the 500 was a strong level. The daily chart, like 500 is a good psychological level to trade out of. And then I saw that this 500 level, the bid broke, so I entered just at the break of this 500 level, and then I exited all my contracts at this candlestick. So on Tesla, I entered 4 contracts at a premium price of 4.810, and then I exited all my contracts after 2 minutes at a premium price of 5.10. I made around $110 in a matter of 2 minutes. So this was my red trade on Wednesday, and this was a bad trade. I'm not proud of this trade. So because BA made a high of the day, a perfect entry would have been at the break of this candle, this high of the day, this level, and then I could have exited at the 144. But what I did was, because I traded like a stupid novice trader, and then I chased this stock because I missed this good entry. I chased it, I entered here, and then I exited again, because I knew I was chasing it. So as a trader, if you know that you have taken a bad trade, just get out of it. Don't expect it to move, because you already made a mistake. You had FOMO, you chased it, and then you are making a mistake again by holding on to that the trade that you chased. So I got out in a matter of couple of seconds. So on this PA trade, I entered 2 contracts at a premium price of 5.54, and then I exited both my contracts at 5.15. So I lost around $80 on this trade. In total, I made $178 on Wednesday. On Thursday, I traded ZM twice, because I was already watching ZM from the pre-market, because I saw this huge 120 level. So 120 is a strong level on ZM. I entered just before the break of the 120 level, and then I exited when I saw that the 118 was holding, because this candle, it reached 118 and then the bid jumped back above 118. So I just exited at the end of this candle. So this was maybe 1 minute trade. I entered just before the break, I exited at the end of this candle. So my entry was, I entered 3 contracts with a premium price of 4.89. So the total investment was around $1,500, and then I got out at the premium price of 5.950. So I made $300 on an investment of less than $1,500. So that's more than 20% return in a matter of 42 seconds trade. So I traded ZM twice, another trade on ZM. So I made $300, $357 on Thursday. It shows as Friday again, because I live in Australia. Trading starts at 12:30 a.m. So don't get confused by looking at Friday. It's Thursday for US. And then I made $357. My other trade on ZM was a quick scalp, because then I entered at the break. I saw this 115 level was having a huge bid. I entered at the break of 115, but I saw that it never held below 115, so I exited. I made a couple of dollars. So see, this was a very quick exit. I entered and exited. So I entered, and then I held it for a minute. It never broke down. It went down below 115, but the bids came back above 115. So I exited, and I was fortunate enough to make like $44 on this trade. Otherwise, it would have been a red trade, but I exited because it never held below the $115 mark. So for Friday's trade, I only traded Tesla. So I think it's better to show Tesla on my journal itself, because I journal all my trades on OneNote. So I scalped Tesla 4 times, 3 were green and 1 was negative. So my first scalp was at the break of the 495 level, and then I scalped it because it broke 500 level. I was thinking of entering here, but because the market was so choppy on Friday, I was too cautious to take any trades. I entered at the break of the 495 level, and then I exited. I made $44 from this trade, and you can see my entry and exits here. And then I entered again at the break of the 490 level, and I made around $154 on this trade itself. And then I scalped it again for a $15 profit. And then my last trade on Tesla was a -1. So this wicked me out. This is a bad trade, and that's why I stopped after this. And I lost around $52 on this trade itself, because this was a false breakout. It made a low of the day. So you see, this is a low of the day. It went below the low of the day. I entered, and then I got faked out, so I exited. And that's why I stopped trading, because I was not able to trust myself after this trade. And the main reason is that the market was so choppy on Friday. There was not enough volume in the market, so that's why I stopped trading. So I made $161 in total. I showed you all of my trades from Friday. So guys, hope you like this video. These were a few of my trades from the past week, and I will be doing regular videos. I will try to do regular videos, like weekly videos like these, so that I can share my trades with you guys. And if you have any suggestions for these videos, just put a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I will put my name down there, and I try posting all my trades on my Instagram with the entries and exits as well, so you can follow me there. See ya, have a good day.